This is Voyage Simulator, a powerful voyage planning tool built directly into the Wayfinder platform. Let me show you how it works. Start by creating a new route. You can select ports, enter lat-long coordinates, or import existing routes from common file formats. Let's select a route from Rotterdam to Puerto Rico. Voyage Simulator is powered by the world's most accurate marine weather forecasts. Each yellow dot on the screen is a spotter, a marine sensing buoy sending ocean data to our weather models in real time. We pair these forecasts with a daily updated digital twin of your vessel, allowing you to see exactly how your vessel will perform in every sea state throughout the voyage. Voyage Simulator automatically generates a great circle route, the shortest possible path between 2 points. Now the real exploration begins. Set inputs ranging from departure time, power and speed settings, and even required time of arrival. Let's set speed over ground to 9 knots. Market factors are preloaded from your voyage parameters, but are fully editable to reflect changing market realities. Use the timeline scrubber to see precisely when your vessel will encounter specific weather along the route. Voyage Simulator also makes it simple to compare alternatives. Duplicate your current scenario. Modify the inputs. And watch the differences play out instantly, side by side. There's no limit to how many scenarios you can compare. And yes, Voyage Simulator supports waypoint editing, so you can easily modify routes to match your desired path. When you're ready, compare each simulation and its voyage economics in the table at the bottom. You'll see estimated arrival times, the impact of weather on duration and fuel, and overall cost comparisons, all presented together so you can weigh financial and safety considerations with confidence. Voyage Simulator equips operators, commercial teams, and more to react fast to market opportunities and plan smarter voyages. Thanks for watching.